My name is Alex, Android 2016. Today, I'm playing Geometry Dash. How to make keyframe system on Geometry Dash. Make it loading. Is installing. How to make keyframe in Geometry Dash. Add level. Make platformer. Make platformer. And add the spike. Add group. Next group ID 1. And make a keyframe system. And make it group ID. Add group ID of 1. And make it better. Copy and paste. Icon controls in here. All keyframe systems. Add this. No. This no. Yes. This one better. Group ID. Add group ID 2. And make it group and make group ID 2. It's working. See you soon. Bye bye.